Actually, there are many nuances to getting good video, but what most are afraid of is a camera. Honestly, using a camera, it's not that hard. You need to set just a few parameters, leave the rest to default at the beginning, and what exactly you need to adjust in your manual video mode. First of all, file format. Any 4K will work. Then frame rate. For normal speed, I use 30 frames per second, and for slow-mo, 120. Then white balance. Use it in Kelvins only, no auto modes. It's very easy to set it using gray card or lens cap. Just Google it. Next up is picture profile or log shooting mode. On Sony it's usually PP8 or PP9, depends on your camera model, but ensure it's S-Log3 and don't listen anybody about PP-off, hybrid log gamma or color from the box. It's just the echoes of phone lovers. Focus, set it to manual. Next up, shutter speed. Follow the 180-degree rule, just setting your shutter speed twice your frame rate. It would be 1/60 if your frame rate is 30. And lastly, ISO. Set it to its native value. For Sony, usually it's 640 or 800. After shooting your video, don't be surprised if they look washed out. It's normal, it's log, they just need color grading, which is also not rocket science, but the result will amaze you. But if you wanna learn all this in detail and understand how our videos were shot, follow the link in bio.